Hey there, car owners. Ever felt like your car's not quite running right? It might be time to check out your fuel pump. A healthy fuel pump is like the heart of your vehicle, pumping fuel steadily from the tank to the engine. But when it starts to fail, oh boy, do you notice. Picture this. You're in your car, ready to start your day, but it won't start. You crank it, and it just groans back at you. Or maybe it does start, but sputters and stalls, especially when you hit the gas or tackle a hill. Sound familiar? These are telltale signs of a struggling fuel pump. So, what should you listen for? Unusual whining or buzzing sounds coming from your fuel tank, especially when the fuel's running low. It's like your car's trying to tell you something. And let's not forget the drop in fuel efficiency or the dreaded check engine light blinking at you. Ignoring these signs can leave you stranded or worse, lead to costly repairs. So what's the plan? If you notice these symptoms, it's time to get your car checked by a professional. Addressing these issues promptly ensures your car remains reliable and safe. Remember, being proactive about your car's health is always a good idea. Thanks for tuning in and drive safe.